If you want to create and improve bar charts using Excel, then you're in the right place. Bar graphs are a powerful and easy way to communicate the amount of a category of data, and with these tips, you'll make them look polished and professional. So let's get to it. In this video, we will walk through how to make a bar graph in Excel to show the number of recreational visits that each of the top national park sites in the US received in 2020. We'll start with a clustered column chart, which is one of the recommended chart types in Excel. As you see, this chart uses bars in order to represent the amount of visits that each park receives. For example, Blue Ridge Parkway received 14.1 million visits in 2020. And so a bar that extends from 0 to 14.1 is drawn in the chart. In Excel, we can modify the size of our chart by dragging on the corner and sides of the chart to resize the chart area. One tip for bar charts is to make the chart as readable as possible for your audience. Presenting text horizontally instead of diagonally makes the chart labels more easy to read, whereas diagonal text slows the reader down. We can resize the chart area until the text is horizontal, or we can change our chart type from a vertical bar chart to a horizontal bar chart. When we change the bars from vertical to horizontal, we can reorder the series that we are drawing such that the rank is presented in reverse order in the origin table. Additional improvements that we can make are to include a descriptive chart title, add descriptive axis labels, and add information like the source of the data in our chart. Let's also consider some additional ways that we can tidy up our chart. We can drop grid lines by selecting grid lines, right-clicking, and selecting no line. We can play around with the location of the source of our data in our chart by dragging the text box that we created, resizing the text area, and putting it in the location that best suits our layout. Additionally, we can make our bar charts thicker so that they look more cohesive by selecting the bar series, right-clicking on the bar formatting options, and decreasing the gap width series option. In this case, we selected 33%. One final consideration might be to add the label to the series by selecting Add Data Labels and dropping the horizontal axis and moving the label to the title or other labeling area. Last but not least, we will shift our chart within the chart area so that the spacing looks a little bit tidier. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and let us know what additional tutorials you might like to see in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.